Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we'll be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow. So let's see which are the stocks that I have picked in tomorrow's trading session. So the first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is UltraTech Cement to trade on the sell side. As you see, the stock was respecting this support level multiple times, right? So the stock was respecting the support level multiple times. Currently, we got a breakdown below this. We got the retest, and the price is about to trade on the sell side. So the strategy is pretty simple. So trend line has given breakdown, retested the same level, and it is continuing its downward direction. So let's see where the entry and exits should be. So let me switch to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes time frame chart. So your entry will be after the breakdown of today's low, which is around 7,450. So after the breakdown of 7,450, we can initiate a buy trade with the stop loss of 7,490. The stock is a higher valued stock, so you need to maintain a stop loss of 7,490 in case if you are entering up once after the breakdown of this. Immediately after the breakdown, if you enter, you are supposed to maintain a stop loss of this, or else we can do one thing. So after the breakdown, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. So you are supposed to look for the candlesticks like wick dominating candles like shooting star, array, gravestone doji kind of candle. It should be wick dominating candles. Okay. So after the breakdown, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. So in this case, our stop loss will be above the confirmation candle. So if you get any shooting star candle like this at this level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be high of this candle. Our first take profit will be at this level, which is 7,410, and our next take profit in case of breakdown below this, we can expect a target at 7,374. Okay. The next stock is Grasim Industry. Grasim Industry, this is daily time frame chart. As you see, the stock was respecting this support level multiple times, right? So currently we got a reversal from this support level. So the price has tested this resistance level, and we are getting a bearish momentum from this resistance level. From this resistance level, it is clear cut sell side trend, right? So apart from this, we got an inside candle today. The trading range for today was within the previous day trading range. So as you see, this was the previous day candle, right? So today, if you check the price action, we got the today's momentum was within the previous day candle. We got the inside candle. So if this candle low breaks, so previous day candle, if this candle low breaks, we can expect a sell trend. So let's see where our entry and exit levels will be. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame chart. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. As you see, so this is the resistance level where we got a selling pressure. So in addition to that, we have an support level currently. So previously it was acting as a resistance. So after the breakout of this, the price took the support at the same level multiple times, right? So in case of breakdown below this support level, this support will turn to the resistance, right? In case of breakdown below 1620, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side for the target of 1600. So let me explain what I mean in by zooming in the chart. So in tomorrow's trading session, so in case of any bullishness from this point, we are not going to trade this. In case of breakdown below 1620, do wait for the pullback. This currently this is acting as a support, right? Currently this is acting as a support. This support will turn to the resistance, right? So after the breakdown, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side for the target of 1600. So you are supposed to look for the candlesticks like wick dominating candles like shooting star, this type of candle. Our next stock is HDFC Bank. This is daily time frame chart. As you see, the price was taking support at this level. Price was taking support at this level. So at the support level, we got an hammer candle, right? So at the support, we got an hammer candle, which is very bullish reversal sign. So we can trade this on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. So our entry and exit levels will be. So let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame chart. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. As you see, so in the upward channel, in this at the support level, we got the hammer candle in daily time frame. That is first confirmation. So if you check for the minor support and resistance level, so this is the previously this was acting as a resistance. This zone was, which is around 1580 to 1585, around this zone. Previously it was acting as a resistance at this level, right? So all these three were acting as a resistance. So after the breakout of this, it took the support at the same level multiple times, right? So this zone is very important for us, 1580 to 585. So this zone is very important for us in tomorrow's trading session. So in case of any bearishness in tomorrow's trading session from the current level, do wait for the price to retest this level around 1580 to 585. So from this point we can initiate a buy trade with the good candlestick confirmation. You are supposed to look for the candlesticks like hammer or dragonfly doji kind of candle, or engulfing candles. So with this good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. So our first take profit will be at 1600. If that breaks, we can expect a target till 1000. So we can expect a target till this zone around 1610. So for every 10 points, we have a minor resistance level. So make sure you are trailing your stop loss once you are in the profitable trade. Okay. So the strategy is pretty simple. So as this is the important support level 1580 to 585, I'm waiting. So we are supposed to wait for the pullback. At the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. This is one scenario. In case of breakout above 1600 level, so in case of breakout above 1600, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation at the 1600 level, we can initiate a buy trade for the target of 1620. So as usual, same, you are supposed to enter with the good candlestick confirmation. Okay. The next stock is Emphasis. Emphasis, as you see the price action in daily time frame. So this is the support level, right, where the price was taking support at this level. So as you see, the price was taking support at this level. So once the price reaches this level, the price is getting bulls, right? So currently at the same level, we got an bullish candle. So there is a good confirmation. We can trade this on the buy side. Let's see where we can enter and what are the enter and exit levels. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame chart. So in 15 minutes time frame, it was the entire chart was not visible. So as you see in 1 hour time frame chart, so this was the previously this was acting as a resistance level, right? So after the breakout, the same resistance turned to the support. Again at the same level, it took the support. So after the breakdown, it took the resistance at the level. So this level is very important in tomorrow's trading. So previously it was acting as a resistance. Currently it will act as a support now, right? So the level is around 30,000, 3090 to 3080. So this 10 point zone is very important in tomorrow's trading session. Now let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame chart. So in tomorrow's trading session, in case of bearishness in morning session, in case of any selling pressure in the morning session, do wait for the price to retest this 3080 level. So at this level with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side for the target of this resistance, minor resistance level, so which comes around 3130. So in case of bearish in the morning session, so around 3080 to 3090 level with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the buy side. Okay, so in case of breakout, in case if we don't see any bearishness in the morning session, in case of breakout above this resistance level, do wait for the pullback. So once the price crosses this swing point, the previous swing point, so a bullish momentum, a fall. So again, once the stock crosses this swing point, we can initiate a buy trade. Our stop loss will be low of this swing point. Our first take profit will be at 3240, so around 3240. In case if that breaks, we can expect a target till 3280, around this point, 3280. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade in tomorrow's trading session. Hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So those who have not yet subscribed my channel, make sure you are subscribing the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on daily basis. Thank you.